Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create pages in Figma file. This is incredibly useful when you're working on large design projects and need to organize different sections, versions, or components separately within the same file. Let's jump right in. First, direct your attention to the top of the Layers panel on the left side of your screen. This is where all your design elements are organized, and it's also where you'll manage your pages. The Layers panel is your command center for navigating through your Figma workspace, so familiarize yourself with its location. Next, click on the Page 1 dropdown or whichever page name is currently active in your file. This dropdown might already say something different if you've renamed it before, but by default, Figma starts you off with Page 1. Clicking this will reveal the Pages menu, showing you all the existing pages in your current file. Now, look for the plus icon located at the top right of the Pages menu that just expanded. This plus icon is your gateway to creating additional pages. Go ahead and click it. The moment you do, Figma will instantly generate a new page for you, making the organization process incredibly smooth and efficient. Here's where you want to act quickly. Type a name for your new page immediately while the text is highlighted. Figma automatically highlights the default name, making it easy for you to replace it with something meaningful right away. Choose a name that clearly reflects what you'll be designing on this page, whether it's wireframes, prototypes, design system components, or any other category that makes sense for your workflow. Once you've typed in your desired name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. This confirms your page name and locks it in. Don't worry if you need to change it later, you can always come back and rename pages whenever necessary. But for now, hitting Enter ensures your new page is ready to use. Finally, you can click back and forth between the page names in this list to open and switch between different canvases. This is where the real power of using multiple pages comes in. You can keep different aspects of your project neatly separated, making it much easier to focus on one area at a time without cluttering your workspace. Switching between pages is instant, so you can move seamlessly through your design work. And there you have it, you've successfully created and named a new page in your Figma file, giving yourself better organization and workflow management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.